Learn today. Human body. Grade 2, Class 2. Topics covered: our body and its parts, senses and our sense organs, bones and muscles, importance of correct posture. Let us now look at a few questions on the topic human body. Select the incorrect statement from the following. Option A, there are more than 200 bones in our body. Option B, muscles help us in movement. Option C, the place where two or more muscles join together is called joint. Option D, there are more than 600 muscles in our body. The correct answer is the place where two or more muscles join together is called a joint. That is the incorrect statement because the place where two or more bones join together is called a joint. Which of the following correctly shows the path that air takes in our body as we breathe in? Option A, nose, gullet, lungs. Option B, mouth, gullet, heart. Option C, nose, windpipe, lungs. Option D, lungs, windpipe, nose. The correct path is nose, windpipe, lungs. Meenu says, I like shining raindrops on leaves. Which sense organ she used for that? The answer is eyes. With eyes, she can see shining raindrops on leaves. Unscramble the given names of the bones and select the correct match of the bone with its function. The answer is SIBR, encloses lungs. Ribs encloses lungs. I am a soft organ inside your chest. If I stop working, other parts of your body will not get blood. Who am I? Options are option A, lungs, option B, heart, option C, stomach, option D, none of these. The answer is heart. Heart is a small muscular organ present inside our chest that pumps blood to other parts of our body. Select the correct match. Option A, lungs, pump blood to different parts of body. Option B, skin helps us to taste. Option C, stomach digests food. Option D, heart helps us to breathe. The correct answer is stomach digests food. Lungs helps us to breathe. Skin helps us to feel. Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. So therefore the correct match is stomach digests food. The control center of your body is dash. Option A, lungs. Option B, heart. Option C, brain. Option D, stomach. The answer is brain. Brain is a control center of our body. Amir is blindfolded and asked to differentiate some parts of items. Which of the following he can differentiate? A glass of orange juice and a glass of plain water. B, a piece of red cloth and blue cloth. C, a round ball and a rectangular box. D, an empty piggy bank and a piggy bank with some coins in it. The answer is option D, A, C and D. When Amir is blindfolded, with his tongue he can differentiate between orange juice and plain water, and using his hands he can differentiate between a round ball and a rectangular box, and using his ears he can differentiate between an empty piggy bank and a piggy bank with some coins in it by the sound made by coins on shaking the piggy bank. Brahman has difficulty in breathing. He may have some problems with his dash. Option A, lungs. Option B, liver. Option C, stomach. Option D, kidney. The answer is Lungs. Lungs are the breathing organs. The air we take in through nose reaches our lungs. If a person has difficulty in breathing, it means that he has some problem in his lungs. Hot, cold, soft, smooth, rough, hard. The above words are associated with which of the sense organs? Option A, nose and eyes only. Option B, skin. Option C, eyes and tongue. Option D, skin, eyes and ears. The answer is skin. Skin helps us to feel if something is hot, cold, soft, smooth, rough or hard. Four basic tastes are dash. Option A, sweet, salty, hot and sour. Option B, sweet, salty, cold and hot. Option C, sweet, minty, sour, salt. Option D, sweet, salty, bitter and sour. The answer is sweet, salty, bitter and sour. We give your body support and structure. The answer is bones. Bones give our body support and structure. We work in pairs to pull your bones in different directions. We also help move food and blood through your body. Without us, you wouldn't be able to move at all. Who are we? Option A, bones. Option B, veins. Option C, muscles. Option D, lungs. The answer is muscles. Muscles work in pairs to pull your bones in different directions and helps to move food and blood through your body. Tongue is covered with dash that detects the food we taste. Option A, taste coils. Option B, taste buds. Option C, taste producers. Option D, taste chemicals. The answer is taste buds. Refer to the chart and select the incorrect option. Let us look at the options one by one. Q can be the organ of hearing. As per the chart, yes, Q can be the organ of hearing. Option B, P can be the organ that helps us to write. Yes, from the chart we can see that P can be the organ that helps us to write. Option C, R can be the organ for digestion. That is also right. Option D, S can be the organ that pumps blood in our body. Organ that pumps blood in our body is heart. Heart is an internal organ and not a sense organ. Therefore, the incorrect option is option D. I control the muscles and all the organs in your body. I ensure your heart beats and you blink your eyes. I even hold all of your thoughts and memories. What am I? Option A, lungs. Option B, heart. Option C, brain. Option D, stomach. The answer is option C, brain. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel Learn Today. Thank you.